Our solution, Athr, is a social media phone app we developed to allow Our solution, Athr, is a social media phone app we developed to allow individuals of the same sphere of interest or branch of study to connect with communities of like-minded people. Furthermore, Athr features storing certificates securely on the blockchain, meaning users can search for communities, then join them to network, ask or even answer questions, or send links to courses, papers, or even websites to help one another improve in their field. Also, users can securely and immutably store their certificates on the blockchain so it may never get lost. Well, where did this idea come from? Well, many face when trying to enter a new sphere of interest is wishing they could talk with anyone that already established themselves in said field, and having certificates associated with interest stored in one platform, or simply wishing to store both digital and not securely. Furthermore, many have questions and don't have anyone they could ask in real life. That is why when we created Athr, we wish to create something that will give back to our nation and even help worldwide. Athr solution follows creating an empowering environment for Saudi goal, which is a 2030 vision goal. Specifically, the subcategory foster the values of mastery and discipline and improve equal access to education, and even some UN SDG goals. Signing in or up into our solution is a simple process. To sign up, simply enter your email, username, phone number, and password. For the password to be accepted, it must be longer than 5 characters and have at least one uppercase character or a single digit. As for signing in, it's a simpler process. Simply enter your email and password you specified when signing up. Once the user successfully signs in, they'll be directed to their dashboard, where they will see all the communities they have joined and the posts created within these communities. They can also like posts, comment within these communities, delete posts within these communities, and also update their posts. Here is an example of a user attempting to update their post, delete their posts, and create a new post using our solution. Users can click on their profile to either update their user information, create a community, or check how many communities they have, or just log out. To update your data, simply click on the update button and then change whatever information you want. As for creating community, click on the create community button and then input the specified information. In order for users to access their certificates, they must first enter their key. But in order for a user to have a key, they must have a MetaMask account. By having a MetaMask account, we ensure that this process is more secure, simply because not anybody is able to steal your key and enter your storage. And by having users' certificates stored on the blockchain, it is both immutable and secure and encrypted well, meaning it will be hard for a hacker to find your certificates. Thank you for listening. As for how we will proceed into the future, we are still working on our solution on GitHub, trying to improve our application. One of our goals is for us to add tags to our communities so that users are able to find communities much more easily. And also for our UI to be more interactive and
accessible.